In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to ATAS. Now, the first thing you want to do, you're going to have to install ATAS to your desktop on your computer. And then once you've done that, you want to go to Home up here. So it's going to be the first tab. And then you want to click on Connections. Here, click on Add over here and look for Binance. Okay, so Binance, there we go. And then you want to click on that and click on Next. Over here, it's going to say add connection and then Binance. And then over here, you can see account and market data. Now, what you're going to have to do is go to the account tab. And over here, you're going to have to put in the API key and then the API secret. Now, how you can actually do this is you're going to have to create an API key inside of Binance. Okay, so if you don't know how to do this, what you have to do is you just have to go to Google and just type in Binance API key. There's a tutorial on their website. You can see how to actually get the API key for your account. It may be different if you're watching this for a later date, but this is basically all you have to do. So you're going to have to basically get your API key and then your API secret as well. And you're going to have to basically put those two in here. And then, of course, you can set these settings according to your own preferences. And then click on Finish over here. And a connection to Binance will be made in here. So that's literally all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.